Hello, my name is Daniel. I want to talk to you today about transdermal magnesium and how to use it. Um, it's very simple. The product, a lot of people wonder, oh, it's an oil. Do you add oil to it? Is it sticky? Um, do I need to apply it every day, or can I just apply it on like cramps or pains or etc. And the best way to do it is to use it for at least 4 to 6 months and to do it daily, at least 10 pumps or whatever sprays per day, 10 to 20. Sports, high level sports, they're using it all over the body, all the, before and after training. And so you can go further, but at least 10 sprays per day, like 5 maybe on one, like shin area, 5 on the other, let it dry, and then put your pants on, go to work or whatever. Or some people use it on the abdomen as is kind of the center of the solar plexus, the nervous system. And so you can apply it on the abdomen at night, 5 to 10 sprays here on the stomach. Then you let it dry, and you put your pajamas or go to bed or whatever once it's dry. So it takes about 10 minutes to dry on the skin. You can massage as well in that time. It's always better when you massage. It's not necessary, but it's always, it can go deeper. And then a lot of people use it. Some people don't like it has a naturally viscous texture. It almost feels like a dry oil, but we don't add any oil to it. That's the nature of magnesium chloride, is it has this kind of quality to it. And the best way to use it for someone who's a total minimalist, like a lot of guys are. You can use it before or after sports. That's pretty easy to figure out because you're out there in it. But if you're going to work and you're putting shirts on and you're doing all this, then a lot of people prefer to just take it 20 minutes before you shower. So that's the easiest way. Come home, do your dishes or whatever, watch the TV, put like your upper body, for example, and just let it sit for 20 minutes. It'll absorb. You'll feel a little tingling sensation, especially at first. It'll pass after that, but so there'll be a tingling sensation, and just let it sit for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, about 75% of the product is in the bloodstream, and you have, the rest you can actually wash off whenever you shower. The one thing that I would advise is not to put soap back on the area that you had just put the magnesium on when you get in the shower. So just skip soaping on whatever your arms or whatever area, that you put the magnesium, so that it doesn't pull the magnesium back out. But other than that, it's very easy. So it's the easiest approach you can have is 20 minutes before the shower, get most of it in the bloodstream. Yes, you can leave it for much longer than that. Yes, you absorb a little bit more than that. But this is just giving you a kind of a practical way to do best of both worlds type thing. So that's how you use it. There's short, medium, and long-term benefits to using this product. Some people have very quick benefits on their cramps and their pains and inflammations and sciatica and different types of inflammatory conditions. Other people use it for different pathologies for relief, from fibromyalgia to sclerosing plaques to multiple sclerosis. Like there's a difference. There's a different level of kind of how it connects between the nervous and the muscular systems. So this kind of touches on quite a number of, some people use it for Lyme disease as well. So it does touch on a number of different pathologies as far as pain relief and healing goes. It's typically not, it's something that doctors will recommend as far as magnesium goes for different, even cancer and hypertension and a lot of these, medical conditions where medicine is usually involved. Magnesium is usually not, something that is looked down upon. However, yes, there is certain medications which will demand that you don't take magnesium at the same time, diabetic medications or, well, that's mostly the big one, is the diabetic medications where they don't recommend it. But it used to actually be given in the case of diabetes before we had those medications, which is funny. But so anyway, this is the way to use it. And some of the medium and long-term benefits will be the elimination of heavy metals medium benefits, maybe the regularization of certain endocrine system functions, long-term elimination of heavy metals, detoxification over time, acid residues, etc. So there's many different reasons to take it for many different lengths of time, and but we recommend at least 4 months out of the year to take a yearly, application, 2 to 3 bottles, to begin like a full treatment. So thanks. If you have any other questions, check out all of our information on theheartoftradition.com.